Hi guys, welcome to this quick video about what you can do when you have a video which says it's scheduled. I mean, usually you have the view with monetization or not, if it's public or not, amount of views and so on. But here with this video, it says it's scheduled. It looks like it's scheduled for release at June 26th at 1 p.m. And yeah, when I look at the current time, it looks like it's 24 hours from now. I had this today. I mean, this one here I made on purpose, but I had same thing this afternoon with a video which I've uploaded. I thought everything is good. I saved it and went to the video manager. Here we have the YouTube Creator Studio, the video manager with the videos, and it's just said scheduled. So I had no clue what to do. I didn't do anything as far as I remembered. I had really no clue what happened. I googled it a little bit and I couldn't find it, so I just clicked a little bit around. I found this. So if you have this and you don't know why it is easy to remove and bring the video back to a normal status. Go to edit mode, and here we have the here we have all the status like public, unlisted, private, scheduled. So usually what I'm using is just public and private. I actually never noticed what's else around here. I don't know, maybe I wanted to click on private and I hit scheduled, but it was probably, yeah, usually I start with private because this is the default, and then I usually when everything is ready, I switch to public. But maybe I just hit the wrong thing and I clicked scheduled, and here then when you hit scheduled, yeah, as you can see, here is no time, but when you click scheduled, there's a time where you can plan to release this video. If you have a video which you don't want to be released right now, you can enter date and time and when it should be released. Yeah, I never needed that. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see the purpose right now, but there is some kind of sense behind. If you want to make something like competition or something like that, which starts at midnight, and you want to prepare everything ahead, and yeah, you never know. So anyhow, yeah, here's the thing, and just remove the scheduled, put it to public, private, or whatsoever, and save the changes, and it will be back to normal. Yeah, except YouTube comes with the message, oops, our server has a temporary problem, couldn't do what you asked it to do. Try again in a few minutes. Okay, that's not normal, but happened obviously. So it looks like finally it did the change on the server and it's back to normal. Of course, I have to put it from private to public and monetize and so whatsoever. Yeah, whatever we want to do, but at least now the scheduled date time is gone. So that's it for now. Really simple as far as as far as you know, or as long as you know what it is, why it comes, and yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.